What's up everybody, this is Owaes. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to compress a video files. So let's say you don't have a faster internet but you want to upload your videos to YouTube or DailyMotion. The software we're going to be using is called Handbrake. It's a free open source software. You can download it from, just search on Google for Handbrake, you will find it. I will compress the video file and I will show you the original size of that video file and then the compressed size of that video file, and I will play both files and you can judge yourself that how much quality did you lose. Personally, I actually compress every file I upload to YouTube, so you can compress your files and save time for uploading. I will show you the best setting for compression so you don't lose any quality. So I'm gonna take you to my computer now and we're gonna compress one file and I'll show you the best setting for Handbrake. Okay, so to download Handbrake, all you have to do is just search on Google or Bing Handbrake, and the first website, that's handbrake.fr. So just open that, that's the logo of the software, and you can download it from there. I've actually already downloaded that, and this is our Handbrake software. I'm just gonna close the website. Compress one file now. So here I have one file. I'm going to show you the file size first. So if I go to the file property, here you can see that I have 701 megabyte for this file size. Now I'm going to compress the same file size and we're going to click on source, and here if you have multiple files to compress, let's say you have like 5 files in one folder, you can select the folder so that all the files will be in the queue and then they will be compressed automatically. But I'm going to choose file because we're going to be compressing one single file. So I'm just going to locate that file, double click on the file. Handbrake will import that file here. Now it's telling me that it's ready to compress. Now you see that bar there, that's where you're going to file, that's where it's going to save that file. So you need to change that. So I'm going to change that, click on browse, and here we're going to change this path to the same folder. Okay, now there's few things I want to show you. That if you click on web optimize, it's going to reduce the file, like it's going to make it way smaller. So I don't recommend doing this because it's going to reduce the file size anyway. So container mp4, you can change that to mkv. Well, I'll recommend keep that mp4. First we have pictures. If you want to compress the picture, you can do that as well by using Handbrake. We're going to look at the video file. So codec, I would highly recommend use H.264. That's a recommended codec for YouTube or any other video format. So we got that. Here we have optimized videos. So if you want to compress the video very fast, what it's going to do is basically going to compress the video file, but it's not going to reduce the file a lot. So I would highly recommend keep that whatever is default. So here is the main part, constant quality. If you change that to, let's say you have a screen recording tutorial, right, so you can keep that as 30, it's going to reduce the file size. But if you have a camera, like say if you have a DSLR image and you have a DSLR video you want to compress, then I would highly recommend that keep that at 25. It's not going to reduce any quality, the video is going to look the same. I'll show you a few more things in this software. So here we have add to queue. So if you import few more files, such as if you go to source and select a folder or another file, then it's going to add that to the queue. You can see the queue here by clicking on show queue, so we don't have any pending jobs yet. On the right we have few presets for us. So let's say if you want to play this video on Windows 8 phone or iPad or Apple TV, so it's going to compress the video file size according to those presets. So that's pretty much it is for this. You have to click on start and it's going to start compressing the file. So once it's get compressed, I will show you the file size between these two files. Alright, so the file has been compressed. Now let's look at the size first. So I'm going to right click properties, and here we have 700 megabytes. And let's check out the compressed file now, properties, and 39.6 megabytes. How, like, that's way difference, like that's a big difference, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play these two files, and now you can see that the quality, this is the original file and this is the compressed file size. So I actually don't see much quality difference here. You can try these settings, so such as if it's been reduced too much, then you can keep that to 20, right? That was the default, so it's gonna make sure that the quality is on the high. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys, and if you like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Cheers.